bit. Three.
Sapphire.
That's a nice little boy.
Here we are, New Adventure World River, chipping out the steep bank so we can get the two-wheel drives down there. This one's four-wheel drive, but it looks like a two-wheel drive.
Car's not bad, mate. No, it's not a fucking WRX, is it? Yeah. Done well, boys. Good form and whatnot, good supervisor.
I've seen you out there doing all the thinking.
Yeah. Creek. A little bit there, but yours look pretty fine.
Yeah.
Like I said, yeah, coming in on that way will be good. You four-wheel drive, sis? Yeah. No. Okay. So momentum's the key in two-wheel.
Keep coming slow. I'll tell you when to turn that way. That way. You're all good. It's only a little bit. Should have kept going.
Yeah, it's sunk a lot more than the first one.
Look at the back. Yes!
Yeah, boy. Yeah, good, but we didn't get right all that shit in it like we said we're going to, so we don't have to walk it all the way up there.
Oh, what?
Just don't want to stand on that.
Might as well be in Africa at this point.
Setting up 10, 9.
Oh, they're loaded on the back of an old mate's car here.
I've got a Scarlet right in front of me. We're going to get smashed, we'll bring it.
All good?
Yeah, mate.
Well, I knew we should have bought a chainsaw, but got the trusty little axe. See how we go with this. A few trees down. Oh, cleared all that with the tomahawk. See what we're back in the 1800s. Settlers.
1, 2, 3. Everything we got. Yeah, a little bit. 1, 2, 3, rather than probably the strongest you'll see, but you get the strongest probably. 1, 2. Oh God! Oh, stop. Hang on.
Stop it.
I suppose it's going to come back, isn't it?
Yeah. If you guys let go.
We'll just give it everything we got, will we? Yeah. 1.
Hang on.
Yeah. Come on, get it. In position.
1, 2, 3.
And it's just going to get
serious trash. Ooh.
Just well. Just push burns if you have to.
Yeah. Well, I've got the bumper on, so. That's bloody. Nice.
At least them branches will stop it, so we'll stop it.
Good shit.
Oh no!
You're not push that way.
Yeah.
How can we stop that from sliding up?
Nice.
That's how we can stop it.
Boy.
Yeah, we'll build it up the front and back.
And that is all she wrote. Waste no time, put some coals on that soon. Oh. Go again as you go down, as you go down. Right, we're out here. We've got full hands. Probably can't go all the way down there. In the Amazon rainforest. That was cool coming up through there. Oh, I've never done this before, so apparently Eric says that in this little pond here we move the big rocks out, get a shovelful, test it for some, what's it called? Spinel. Spinel, yeah. So we're going to do that. Shovel down there, is it?
Yeah, and all these are going away.
The black stuff, spinel, that's what we're looking for because it's the same density as the sapphire, is that correct?
Yeah, it's sort of similar weight.
So that'll tell you where they're gonna sit. So just so you can tell, you've got all that nice black spinel littered through it. So that's a good indication that this is a good spot where the sapphires will sit.
Yeah, we're not in that deep. You know, just give it like a sort of up and down, shake around. For now, you know.
First bit of blue, what one's that called now?
Sapphire.
Sapphire.
That's a nice little boy.
Blue, and then fully sift it yet.
Yeah.
You see it, a little bit there. Steady, steady, don't get too excited. No.
Good shit.
That's good. Sweet.
Both got one, first ones of the day.
Yeah.
We haven't
It's a
even
good
got
hole.
to it yet.
To run another.
That's it, get another that sandbar, that little bit, that's where it's gathering. Yep. Look at, like, you and I seen in pieces, to be honest with you. Yeah.
I'm hungry.
I can smell it.
Yeah. Alright, so you can't really see it, but that's topaz, that clear little rock there. I was about to give up on this one, but seen that. Get your shovel. So what do you want to do? Go off that sandbar or?
Yeah, what do you reckon? Our hole or the spot you were digging?
I might move some big rocks off here and go under here. Right, Eric's doing a run in this pan. This is where I found the topaz. And this sandbar there. And then we found that sapphire out of that deep hole there, didn't we?
Yep.
Yep. Moving on to another spot. Alright, been working behind these rocks here. We've got a couple of sapphires, a couple of topaz, but this one, you can't even see it. You can see blue through it when you look through the right light. Like it stands up, it's square. Look at that. Mosquitoes are even happy. Look at it. Right, so we found a couple more sapphires up here. Eric's got another one. Moving on up the stream. See what the other guys are up to. What's that? Lots of rock there. Oh no. My trousers are going to start leaking. There's a hole in them at this deep. I can feel it rushing in. Water's quite warm. Right, so I just dug out from underneath that crevice there. There's not that much spinelli, so I'll have a look. That's just a little crystal. I just found a nice spot to do a dive and break my neck. That's pretty deep though, you could jump from here. Just going for a little bit of a wander. We are sapphire hunting at Weld River. I think I see my next target. I don't know if you can see, I just found a little red one. I forget the name of it. Alright, so I just did this sieve. Where is it? There's a sapphire there, that blue one. There's a sapphire right there, that blue one in there. So, not too bad. There's a lot of spinel there on that corner. Just behind that rock, so I'm going to do another one there. So I just flipped this bottom pan over, there's a bit of crystal there. There's one. There's another one there. It's all spotted so far, but we're doing alright. That's like, oh, there's another one. So there's 1, 2, and 3. So there's 3. So we're doing alright. Add those to the collection. Might do another pan in there until I get a pan where there's nothing, or a sieve where there's nothing. We won't stop. And another little sapphire and topaz out of that. It's 4:21 and we're heading back. Absolutely starving. Feel like we're in some sort of tropical thunder movie. Off grid. Pretty successful day also for the first time fossicking. Didn't do too bad, got a few little stones to show for it. So yeah, just working our way back through the jungle of Tasmania, Weld River. Mosquitoes are going nuts. We're going nuts. Everyone's going nuts. Got to watch out for the anaconda, snakes, all out throughout this jungle. They could be dangling out of the tree, and you wouldn't see it coming out of here. It'd be game over. Got to trudge on. Thank everyone that has subscribed to the channel for doing so. Hopefully you enjoy the random videos of things I'm doing that I pump out roughly every 2 weeks. Yeah, look out, there's a big drop off here. There's a little leak in the clutch of these. Slow leak, nothing to worry about too much. This log. Let's go that way. All that way. This is what the channel's about, everyone, if you don't understand. Main side quest. I'm not a motorcyclist who's always vlogging his motorcycle. I'm vlogging everything I like to do and everything I'm trying to do, so that's everything. Could be on the Harleys going to a pub one weekend, out fossicking the next, shooting the next, who knows what could be next. Well, we've had tea, doing a bit of an afternoon session, ready to go. Spot to hang out. Oh, it's 7 o'clock, well 7:22. Just working the river near the camp. Just found what I think is a big smooth sapphire. One of the other guys will confirm that when we get back, but I hope it is sapphire. It's a fairly big one, it wasn't really that shiny. But yeah, so we're just working away at this one right now. I'd like to find a nice big one in the top sieve. Just pulled all these out of this one bottom sieve. It's not bad. In front of that rock right there. So it's not a bad job. Ready for another day. We're just going to go around this close area. Up there. Down there. For a couple of hours this morning before we head off. See if we can find a couple more sapphires or topaz. I did alright yesterday for the first time, so good little adventure. Got the eggs and bacon cooking up there on the fire. First pan of the morning. Couple little topaz, I think they are. We want some big ones. It was exciting. Still is. Every time you pan, you just don't know what you're Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. A little bit of green stuff on that. I don't know whether it's just moss or not. Just flip to this second pan over. First you can spot that one there, the topaz. This bit is a bit shiny next to it, I'm not sure what that would be, but I just want one more sapphire before we head off today. That's it. One more sapphire. Found a few topaz this morning. Just another sapphire, we'll top it off. So I'm going back to that spot yesterday where I found two nice little ones. Just up here. Oh, it's right here actually. Right here, down behind one of these rocks. I forget. I think it was this hole or that hole over there. So let's get into it. Down in here. Yeah. There's just so much more of that spinel will end up getting something. Oh. I can already see one, topaz, right there. That's one. I want a blue rock. So I could really see straight off the bat. That one's a cool one. If you look at it at the right angle, you can see all sorts of colours. Not bad, but I want a sapphire before I'm going home, ladies and gentlemen. It's probably the biggest topaz I've got there. Pretty happy with that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. A sapphire hunt. We're heading back to the car now. Got another couple of sapphires there I didn't film. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.